Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel KashFix. Today we're working on this 2010 Jeep Wrangler replacing of the purge valve. So there's a possibility the purge valve could stay open or stay closed, and also set a check engine light code. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a pretty straightforward procedure. So first of all, just go ahead and it should be locked by the pin. So if you just press it back like this and press this tab to release the connector. You just press it back like this and just press this tab and pull this out like this. Now there are two connectors you need to remove, and also this is secure with this tab. It just slides in the back. So let me show you right here. If you just pull off like this, lift up and grab a piece of plier. Just be careful with this plastic pipes. So press these two tabs like this with a pair of needle plier and pull it off like that. Same thing with the bottom one. This one has these two tabs and pull out the connector like this. You can press with your hand, so that's how it just comes out. Now pull these out, these two things. There's two tabs on the end. Like this, pull it out and transfer into the new part like this. Same thing for the blue one. Lift up and pull it out, transfer to the new one like this. Now, so what we're gonna do, the bottom one, just connect this first. So simply just pull up the lines and align this tab and press it down like this. It will lock itself. Same thing for the top one. Push it down, and the last thing is slide into this. Slides in the back, right like this. There we go, it slid. And lastly, connect this connector and press it. There we go. So that's how we replace the purge valve in the 2010 Jeep Wrangler models. The same method if you have a Jeep Grand Caravans or similar vehicles. Thank you for liking and subscribing my channel. Stay tuned. I'll be right back with some other helpful video.